Hey, happy Saturday. I have a brand new jar of almond butter. I don't know about you, but I get pretty excited about that because I love almond butter. And when you first get a jar, it's so easy to stir. So years back, I came up with a meal prep hack that I'll share with you today. I've shared this before, and I know a whole bunch of people are doing it now, and it's well worth doing. So when you open up a fresh almond butter, you've got the oil at the top, and you need to stir it. Easy to do, but if I take a serving out and then put it in the refrigerator, this is going to congeal, and it's really hard to stir properly, and so then you end up with this solid stuff at the bottom and just not the right almond butter, I mean. So what I do is dump the whole damn thing in a bowl right off, and this is my favorite way to fix it. What I'm going to do is mix it up in the bowl and put it into individual servings, right? So these are just little, if you want to Google them or go on to Amazon, they're a 2-ounce souffle cup, basically the same thing you use for a Jell-O shot, right? So just get food grade plastic, and I'm just gonna put these into individual servings. There's another really good advantage to that. I don't know about you, but when I get into the nut butter, stuff is so damn good. Sometimes it's easy to take more than you should eat. So by setting these up into little individual servings, it's just, you have one single serving size. But almond butter is really good for you. Since it's not peanut, it's not a legume if that's an issue with your digestion. So really good food. It's a healthy fat, but it is something you have to kind of watch the serving size on. So this system has really served me well. And now that I've got a new jar going, I'm sure you'll see me post a bunch of snack ideas using the almond butter. But one of my favorite ways is to slice up some apple and celery. Both go really well. The celery usually needs just a touch of salt, and I love that snack. But the almond butter is good on a lot of things. Rice cakes, find some healthy crackers, make sweet potato toast, lots of ideas. More will come to mind. All right, empty jar. And all I'm gonna do is really get this well blended, divvy it up into these souffle cups, and I'm ready to go. What I usually do is take the filled souffle cups, put them all in a Ziploc bag and into the refrigerator, and they're ready for meal prep or ready to make a snack. So just give it a good stir. See, that's nicely blended now. All of it is integrated, so you don't have that problem like you normally do when you open a refrigerated jar. So that's my meal hack for the day. I'm gonna get these ready, and I hope you have a great rest of your Saturday.